So guys, for the first method, if Chrome does open for you, then in the top right, you want to click on the three dots and then click on Settings. And now once we're here, on the left hand side, you want to scroll down and then click on Reset Settings. And then click on Restore Settings to the original defaults. You can untick this box if you want to, and then click on Reset Settings. See if that works. If you can't open Google Chrome, then you want to go to Search and type in Google Chrome. Now you want to click on Open File Location. And now once we're here, you want to right click on Google Chrome again, and then click on Open File Location again. You want to find chrome.exe. You want to rename it. So you want to right click on it, and then click on Show More Options, and then click on Rename. You can just call it Chrome 1, and then click on Enter. Now after you renamed it, you want to right click on it, and then click on Show More Options, and then click on Create Shortcut, and then click on Yes. It's now going to be on your desktop, and you can now use this from now on. See if that works. For the last method, you want to go to Search and type in Add Remove Programs. Click on it. And now once we're here, you want to scroll down until we find Google Chrome. You want to click on the three dots, and then click on Uninstall, and then you want to uninstall Google Chrome. After you uninstall it, just go to a different web browser and then type in Google Chrome, and you can reinstall it again. Hopefully this will work for you.